Of course, the head of consumer segment marketing of Converge, Miss Sandra Zira Tubalediga, to join us here on stage. Have a seat now. Good morning. All right, let's get this underway right here, right now. Here's your microphone, ma'am. There you go. Can we give a big hand to our panel for this morning? All right, thank you, Ms. Sandra, for joining us. Now, our panels are complete. The powerhouse behind the Converge FiberX pledge. We can begin our discussion now to know more about this empowered customer promise. So, ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng pledge, right? It's a serious, formal commitment. Now, I can't say the same for myself. I'm afraid of commitment. I'm a 34-year-old unmarried man. But, of course, I Converge FiberX may pledge sa inyo. So my first question is basically to know, what is the Converge FiberX pledge? Sir Riden, please talk us through it.
Well, itong service pledge ng Converge, ito yung ito yung level ng service guarantee, ng service satisfaction na matagal na namin pinagplanuhan to ng Converge. So, kasi sa amin, alam na natin kanina pinakita na ni Miss Orange. Alam na ng buong Pilipinas sino pinakamabilis na internet. Di ba? Hindi po kami ang nagsabi nun. Merong third party na nagsabi, which is Ookla. Kanina po, pinakita doon. So, sa merkado ngayon, hindi lang mo basta pabilisan na Hindi pabilisan ng internet na ito. Mabilis nga ang internet mo, pero ang tanong, gaano mo ito kabilis ma-deliver doon sa mga taong nangangailangan nito. Doon pumasok yung service satisfaction. Pag sinabing service satisfaction, dalawang bagay po ito. Number 1 po, sa installation. Mabilis ang internet mo, pero gaano mo ito kabilis may install doon sa mga tao, sa mga condo dwellers specifically. Number 2, pag na-install mo na, and magkaroon ng problema, gaano kabilis magre-respond ang isang provider doon sa concern ng condo dwellers. No? Mabilis na ang internet namin, pero etong level na isinet namin, eto ang medyo mukhang may hirapan ang ating mga competitor. Pantay na pantayan ito. Bakit? Kami lang po siguro, no? Ngayong araw na to, i-reveal na namin. Kami lang po ang gagawa ng 12 hours installation and 12 hours after sales service for all the condo dwellers unit na nominate ng our area po. That is the service pledge na in-unveil namin kanina.
There you go, just half a day, raising the bar high with a 12-hour commitment. Ms. Sandra, can we actually expound on that, please?
Yes. So actually, when he went here this morning, he actually prayed a lot. Because of course, our customers are really important to us. So we're here because of all of you guys, your trust. But then again, the challenge within our organization is that how can we challenge ourselves to be a better, to give you a better service in terms not just for the giving you the fast internet, but of course on the customer service side. So just to summarize what Sir then actually said earlier, our Converge FiberX pledge guarantees 2 things. 1 is the same day installation, or sabi ni Sir then kanina 12 hours or less. So there's just like, the usual terms and conditions. You have to have a complete requirements within the daily cut of 3 p.m. every day. And then, pagpasok ka sa system namin within 3 p.m., you get installed the same day. That's a promise, okay? Now, if it gets to 3:15 within 12 hours the next day, you still get installed. So, 12 hours pa rin yun. The second guarantee is repair and upgrade. So, it's critical that you get to experience the internet consistently, right? Kasi, anong silbi ng fast ko kung hindi mo na-experience yung internet mo? So, on the repair side, you get to have a technical response within 12 hours or less. Now, the good thing about this, time with Sir Renan, and of course, the guy at the back is the solution of all of this. Thank you guys for trusting us on launching this one. Is that for every condos that we are servicing, there is a dedicated sales associate, that's for sure, and there's a dedicated repair team within the proximity. So, halimbawa si DJ Adam, hopefully, Converge ang building mo. Nagka-problema siya for some reason. There is a team there within the proximity. So, once you call the sales asset, I have a problem with my internet, in a swift, like a flash, it will come to your doorstep and repair your internet. So, that's why we're saying it could be 12 hours or less. Because, that's the whole point of our FiberX pledge. So, may exam tayo mamaya. So, yes sir.
Nung i-run namin itong programa na ito, nagkaroon kami ng soft launch para i-try lang kung kaya ba ni Converge o hindi. Luckily, within same day, na-install natin lahat nung nag-apply. Same day, nag-apply ng umaga, after 1 or 2 hours nandun yung installer. And napakaswerte naman nung araw na yun. And actually, hindi lang swerte. Siguro talagang since we have a resilient network, because we hardened our network to be resilient, wala akong after sales na tumawag. Ibig lang kong sabihin ito, matatag yung matibay yung network natin outside plant namin. So, kaya nung i-run namin itong programa na ito, ni isang after sales, wala po kaming natanggap. Puro installation. And lahat po nung mga subscriber na nag-apply, ang nasabi lang nila, wow, mabilis na yung internet, after 2 hours, 3 hours, eto na yung installer, dumadating na, kumakatok na sa kanila. I-install na ho namin. Kaya, kaya pala natin. Launch na natin. Yun po.
Kung sakali naman, Reden, di ba, syempre, for some unforeseen events, di ba, nagkakaroon tayo ng problem, right? How about after sales? Ako na talaga yung nagtanong.
Yes, ma'am.
Sabi niya, perfect ang network, pero syempre, alam naman natin, di ba, sometimes it will have problems. But how swift can we readily attend to these problems?
Well, based on experience, less than 12 hours pa din. Kaya nga, sabi namin, sige, i-launch na natin ito kasi kaya naman pala natin. And ito yung tinasabag na i-raise na natin yung bar into this level. Para talaga mula na makabot tayo lang makakagawa. Di ba?
Yes, sir. Incredible stuff. So all within 12 hours or less, lahat na, of course, aspects of the relationship between FiberX and the subscribers, you're going to be connected, upgraded, and of course, supervised din. Kasi very critical nga po yung after sales care, which in Sir Den's statement naman, you won't be needing much of because of the stability of the Converge FiberX. Now,